Hi there, it's Scott Melgren, SkipperBud's in Oshkosh. Here we have one of our new 2022 Harris Crowne. This is a 250 with the black and gray. A really sharp color combination here that you can see. It's got the black tower. It's equipped with the safety rails. It does have a ski tow bar. And it's also equipped with a Mercury 400. Getting on up in the boat here. See, this boat's got the French gray interior. It's got the powered swing back here. So you hit a button and this will swing back and forth. This is the traditional SL floor plan here that you can see. Stereo controls in the back, lots of cup holders. Nice dash with a SIMRAD to control control the engine, and also does all the sharp plotting, depth, everything there. Bluetooth JL audio system. This one, of course, is the upgraded audio system with subwoofers and speakers throughout. Nice front deck to be able to walk on, and you can see this is an all fiberglass front end. So if you ever take on waves, you're not going to dent your metal. It's going to protect it. See the nice arch, and all fiberglass throughout. So this is a very, very well riding boat. It does have a nice ski locker here, as well as fiberglass all the way throughout here. The boat is rated for 11 people. Does have a lockable glove box there. Armrests throughout for comfort. You can see a nice front gate here. Do one quick walk through of the boat, just kind of walking all the way through it so you can kind of get a good sense of the layout. So here you can see your lounger, and then going back forward. You got your swing lounge in the back here. It does have a tilt steering wheel. Additional storage compartment there in the dash. You can storage underneath all the seats as well. Safety rail so you can ride facing backwards if you'd like. And the removable ski tow bar. It does have the nice big extended rear deck, so there's plenty of room to walk around back here. And rear facing speakers. And there's a stereo control so you can reach it from the water as well. Also pop up cleats. So if you'd like some more information, please give us a call.